Welcome back, guys. Today we have another mini bike video. This one is from HoverHeart and this is the MB001 model. Before we go over all the features, let's see what's in the box when it first came in. There's a bunch of different colors for this bike, but I went with green because I never had a green bike before. The bike came mostly assembled. Putting together was super easy. All right, let's go over the features of this bike. First off, I really like the design of the frame. Very simple and old school looking. Frame is made of steel and supports riders up to 200 pounds. This bike runs a 4-stroke 99cc engine. And the cool part is you don't have to mix oil and gas. Just fill it up and ride. Way easier to maintain. Top speed lands somewhere between 18 and 20 miles per hour, depending on how heavy the rider is and where you're going. The throttle feels really smooth and easy to control, perfect for anyone just cruising around. The bike came with knobby tires, good for light off-roading. LED headlight has 4 modes. The bike uses a rear disc brake, which is a big plus at this price point. It gives much better stopping power than the cheaper brakes you see on low-cost mini bikes. With the short wheelbase and knobby tires, this thing whips around corners and changes directions fast. It's got that little bike, big attitude energy. But yeah, this bike is a solid choice for kids, new riders, or anyone who just want a small bike to cruise around without spending a ton of money. It's just a simple gas-powered mini that you can hop on whenever and have a little fun. For the price, it's worth having around the garage or the shop, whether you're letting your friends ride it, teaching someone how to throttle for the first time, or just taking quick laps when you're bored. It's not perfect, but it does exactly what it's built to do. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.